Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to add sound effects in CapCut. It's pretty easy and CapCut has tons of sound effects to add to your video. What we should do first is click on Add Audio button here below your video. Then choose Effects. And here you have many kinds of effects. Just click on this on top of the options. You can choose from stage effects, loving effects, fighting effects, and many more. You can explore so much on your own here. And here I'm going to choose from stage effects, which is cheering and applause. Click on the plus button besides the name of the effects and it will be added to your video. Right. Then you can set where to put this audio throughout your video. Here I'm going to duplicate or copy the effects and place it over here. And then I'm done. And that's how we add audio effects for the video in CapCut. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in other tutorial videos from this channel. Bye!